guys, we're officially back for another season of summer vlogs in Aspen, and I can't freaking wait because summer is my favorite season here. If you follow me just for the skiing, I'm sorry you had to hear that. Also, if you haven't noticed already, I'm in my new apartment. If you haven't watched my moving vlog to explain where we moved, why we moved, and like all about this new place, you should go watch it. It's a pretty good one. Anyways, since it is officially summer, that means we're celebrating First Fridays. First Fridays is on the first Friday of the month in the summer, in case you didn't get that. It's a whole little poppin' thing in downtown, so we're gonna go there. But first, it is Cooper's little brother's birthday today. So we're gonna go have dinner with the fam and then go to our First Fridays. I've never been before, so I'm really excited. I really think this ASMR thing would work a lot better if I took the time to paint my nails, but I didn't. I haven't had the time, actually. And I honestly really don't have time right now. Cooper just called me and he said he's gonna be here in a few minutes, and I was like, I'm not gonna be ready in a few minutes. So here we are, scrambling, but it's fine. We're gonna be fine. I told him I'm gonna take my precious time. Also, I have no idea what to wear to this because it's my first one I've ever gone to. So I hope a sweater and jeans are good. I'm debating whether I wear my flip-flops or cowboy boots. I feel like cowboy boots would be fun, but flip-flops would be so much more freeing. So TBD. It's gonna be a last minute game time decision, even though this is the last minute. Truly, he's about to walk in the door. I don't know how I feel about this makeup. Guys, I started putting a little bit of bronzer like here on my brow bone, and I love it. You probably can't tell, but I can, and that's what matters most, because I don't get dressed up for the day for anybody else except for myself. Words to live by. Okay, actually I do like the way my makeup turned out despite what I said 5 minutes ago. I had 2 drinks last night. I somehow don't feel good. I don't understand what's wrong with me. I used to be able to hang. Cooper is leaving for a river trip in 3 hours. And he has to pack and go grocery shopping and go 30 minutes away.
What time is it?
For what? It's 8 a.m. You got time. We're gonna do this. It's so fun.
A dry bag.
You have a dry bag.
Lid. Not like that.
Okay. It's fine. I'm helping him, and we're gonna get it all done. We're gonna be ready. Then we're gonna send him off on the river, and I'm not gonna see him for a week and a half.
Best friend.
Alrighty guys, we are getting our shiz together. I put on a cute outfit, decided we're gonna wake up and have a great day. I actually feel better now. I chugged electrolytes and they made me feel so good. Cooper's gone now. So I think I'm gonna have a great day by going to the farmer's market. Okay, option 1, I don't love it. No, I don't love this one either. How's this? I'm wearing a swimsuit under this because the UV is gonna get to 11 today, and I really wanna see if I can tan at some point. I feel like I'm really losing my tan from Thailand. I mean, I haven't been in the sun since we were there, so like, I'm not surprised. Hopefully that changes today. That was so so much fun. It's always such a good time. I could literally buy nothing there and have the best time. I actually did buy something though. I bought cherries and a little apple tart because I didn't really eat breakfast, so I needed something. We're going to another adventure now. I have some friends up at a reservoir nearby, and they have a boat and an RV, and they stay there all weekend, and they invited me up to go surfing, which I've only done one other time and I wasn't that great at it. So we're gonna go try again. Although they just texted me that it's a little windy, so they're not sure when we're actually gonna be able to surf or if we are. But I'm just gonna go hang out. We're gonna go hang out anyways, just for the good vibes. All right, I'm gonna need to figure out something for filming in my new car. By the way, guys, I got a new car. I bought my first car ever, so I'm feeling pretty proud. You guys are the first to know. I haven't told anyone yet. Probably not gonna post about it anywhere than this. But I'm obsessed with it. It's a baddie truck. Anywho, let's go to the lake. This is like my first real big girl purchase, so I'm feeling very proud of myself and how far I've come. And also it's my first car I've ever bought. This is crazy. This is the first car that's ever been in my name. So I'm just really excited and happy. I'm proud of myself. But enough about that. It's time to go to the lake. He's wearing bottoms.
My phone died.
Pull them up. I swear it's gonna pop. It's dude, that's your brand new wetsuit. I'm not buying another one.
Oh my god. Help.
There's Parmesan.
Good morning. What are we doing this morning?
Well, we're at Ruda and we're gonna go on the boat soon, so yeah.
We're gonna go surfing. It was too windy yesterday, and I wasn't planning on spending the night, but I did because they had a camper. So I got to wake up to that view. You can only really surf in the morning and the afternoon here, like at 5. Maybe that's everywhere. I don't know. I'm not a big surfer girl, but we're gonna become one. Come here. Oh, you're so cute.
You ever sit?
Oh.
Good girl.
Now you have to give her a treat.
Oh my god!
She's too excited.
Sit. Down.
Just give me the treat
Down.
already.
Ooh.
For me, and yesterday he said,
It's almost my turn.
How cold is it?
I actually can't feel the water yet.
Yeah, that's a good suit.
Guys, I did it! I learned how to surf. That was my second time, but the last time I went, I fell immediately after dropping the rope. So I must have had really good teachers this time. It was so much fun. I can't wait to go back another weekend and get even better. Maybe like try to turn a little more. I don't know. Wasn't very good at that. But I'm in Basalt now, gonna grab a coffee, and there's a pre-loved market. So I wanna see if they have some fun things for our apartment, maybe? Woohoo! You guys, I'm so excited! I got a throw blanket for the new apartment, and a coffee table, and I wasn't going to get it because Cooper is on a raft trip and I wanted his opinion, but it was all secondhand and the lady selling it was like 50 bucks, and I was like, well, I'm not waiting to get his opinion because that's a steal. It's so cute. I hope it works, and you know, if it doesn't, pass it on to the next person who wants it, you know? But I think it's actually gonna be perfect. It kind of looks like it has railroad ties as legs, kind of. And it's like cool looking wood. I think it would be a vibe. My apartment is a complete disaster right now, but I just checked and the UV is 11. So thank goodness I'm still in my swimsuit because we're going to the pool. Although Cooper's little sister Kylie just texted me that she wants to come, so I think I have to go pick her up, which will delay my tanning. However, I will have a friend, which will be fun. There's a lot of people at the pool right now, so maybe I will get to meet my new neighbors. I feel like this makes me look like a freaking dino, but I want to be able to lay on my back at the pool. Maybe I'll just have to change it when I get there. Hat, just in case, even though I probably won't use it. I love procrastinating my chores for a good sun sesh. Need a towel. Keys, sunnies, boom, boom. Let's hit the pool. Lake and a pool all in one day. Wow, I'm living the dream today. And I got to go thrifting. This is my perfect day, guys. So pumped, so happy it's summer. Do I look like I got tan?
Yeah, you do.
Really? I'm getting my Thailand tan back.
Oh. So we got some water. I think my vlogging is impeccable.
Yeah, guys, I live on a lake now.
Yeah, she does. I just showed a close-up of it. In the pool. There's a bunch of guys over there.
My perfect day with a perfect night. We just got takeout and picked up our favorite drinks. Actually, I'm trying a new one. Picked up drinks from Whole Foods, and we're driving to a pretty spot in the mountains to watch the sunset and eat our food in the bed of the truck. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Also, Kylie's driving, so pray for my new truck. Okay guys, this is our spot, and this is our view. Oh yeah.
Cheese bowl.
Mukbang.
The cheese bowl is not in the cards.
Ooh, it's gonna be good. It is good. It's not great, but it's good. Mmm.
It is good.
That's really good. This is what we got. In case you want to try it. Hers is better than mine.
Hers is good though.
Oh. Yup. Cheers to the end of episode 1 of season 2 of my summer vlogs in Aspen in Basalt. Whoa, guys. So happy you're here, and also so happy you're here. Cheers! You know the drill, guys. If you made it this far in the video, comment a little mountain emoji.
Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Yeah! Alright. See you later. Do not include that one. I hope that made you uncomfortable.